The UV irreversible indicators are process indicators of ultraviolet light exposure in UVC disinfection systems. The indicators provide a simple visual monitoring of the available UVC dosage. When exposed to UVC radiation of 254 nanometers, there is a distinct color shift from white to purple. The UV irreversible indicators are used to test the efficacy of a UV disinfection system, whether that be a UV cabinet, a whole room UV disinfector, or a standalone UV light. The UV irreversible indicators do have a removable adhesive backing, so you can place them on an item or use them as is. For this example, I'm going to be using the UV irreversible indicators with a standalone UV light, so it will not require the removal of the adhesive backing. Now, before I turn on this UV light, I'm going to put on the appropriate PPE. Now that I have on the appropriate PPE, I'm going to activate the UV light and let it disinfect for 1 to 2 minutes as we get the appropriate color change. Now that it's been 1 to 2 minutes, I will go ahead and turn off this UV light, remove the indicator, and compare the right box of the indicator to the comparison key on the outside envelope of the product to see the result. If the color on this box is close in color or darker than this comparison key, this is a passed result. However, if the color is noticeably lighter than this comparison key, it's a failed result. Once you've finished testing, any untested indicators should be stored safely away from any light source so you can test again next time.